Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are we doing today? Alhamdulillah. اليوم بإذن الله راح نتناول الصف الثالث والرابع الابتدائي مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. And today inshallah we will be doing a lesson, Rhythms and Sounds, Unit, Feelings and Things. معكم المعلمة سارة الشبيكي ومعنا معلم لغة الإشارة الأستاذ صالح العجان. As always, it's a pleasure. So let's review our classroom agreements. We will remember to have a snack before class begins. We will find a quiet, comfortable place. We will remember to bring our weekend 2 book and an English notebook for writing time. Also, what did we learn last time? We learned to point, say, and act how someone is feeling. How is this boy feeling? He seems happy. How is this boy feeling? He is sad, right? Okay, so today, inshallah, what are we going to do? In rhythms and sounds, we will differentiate between intonation patterns of statements and questions. We will ask and respond to basic questions about personal information regarding feelings. We will use subjective pronouns correctly. We will match words to photos and drawings. Also, we will list main colors. We will say feelings in short, simple sentences. We will write guided short answers to written questions. Also, we will apply the rules of writing correctly. Ready? Now, can you list some of the feelings we learned last time? So last time our lesson was talk time, right? And we learned to list some feelings. Let's look at the picture and read. This boy is sleepy. Excellent. This girl is, she looks happy. And this boy is sad. He's not feeling well today. And she's thinking about food. And what do you think she's feeling? She's feeling hungry, right? And here we have someone who wants to drink water. What do we say when someone wants to drink water? Thirsty. Excellent. And if something upsets you, sometimes we get angry. Excellent. And if you see something that worries you and you start feeling afraid, you feel scared, right? Scared. If you don't know what to do and you have time in your hands, what do? Usually you would feel bored. But you know what? Sometimes when you're feeling bored, your mind starts to create maybe games to play, right? Okay, so why do feelings happen? Read this question with me. Why do feelings happen? We feel different feelings, right? Why? Usually it's because there are things that we need or things that we want. So we feel certain things, right? Just like, let's read the sentence. We need to eat when you're hungry. Your body is telling you that you need food, so you get hungry. And if you're tired, your body is telling you that you have to sleep. We need to sleep when we are sleepy, right? Also, remember when we had that unit about animals? So some of those animals are pets, animals we give homes to, right? So we want, what do we want? We want companionship. They play with us, we play with them, we take care of them. So let's read the sentence together. We want companionship when we care for pets. And this boy here, he is really upset. So we need to talk to someone when we are angry. His mom knew. What did she say? What's the matter? So the boy showed that he was angry, and his mom knew that something has to be done. So when we're angry, we need to talk to someone, right? Okay. Also, let's read the sentence together. We enjoy different kinds of weather, so we don't get bored. Remember when we talked about the blessing of having different kinds of weather, right? So that, imagine the whole year is cold, the whole year is hot. How would it be like if we had different kinds of weather? We would have different activities so we don't get bored, right? Okay, now it's time to chant. Please open page 36. We are going to chant. Now this chant will remind you of the names of feelings, and we are going to switch them around. Okay, let's listen together.
Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Are you happy? Are you sad? What's the matter? What's the matter? They're all hungry. They're all sad.
So, were you able to find the words that connect to feeling? Yeah, let's continue listening to the rest of the chant.
Who is angry? Who is scared? She is angry and she's scared. Who is sleepy? Who is bored? He is sleepy and he's bored.
Rest of the chant.
What's the matter? What's the matter? We are all happy. We are all well.
Okay, so were you able to pick up the different kinds of feelings? So now in the next chant, we're going to switch them around so that you can remember them even better, okay? So we're going to change it. Continue, please, on page 36. Change the words and chant. Ready? Let's begin.
Are you scared? Are you bored? Are you angry? Are you sad? What's the matter? What's the matter? They're all scared. They're all sad.
So let's look at the pictures and just kind of guess who's scared and who's angry. This one is. Yes, he looks scared. And are you bored? Which one is bored? She looks like she's bored. Are you angry? He is angry, right? Are you sad? This boy here is sad. Okay? Now let's continue.
Who is hungry? Who is thirsty? She is hungry and she's thirsty. Who is happy? Who is well? He is happy and he's well. What's the matter? What's the matter? We're all sleepy. We're all bored.
So, did you notice the difference even when we switched the words around? So, if we put hungry in a different place, will you forget what hungry means? You will know it because now you know the word, right? Okay. Now, we're going to have something on the side here. Adam bakes. This isn't in your book, but please listen to me and read along. Do you know what bakes mean? When you bake. Who likes cake? Do you like cake? I like cake. So usually when we make cake, we bake it in the oven, then we take it out, then we decorate it, right? Here, Adam likes to bake. Let's read about Adam. Adam is 10. He loves to bake. Ahmed is 9, and he is Adam's friend. Adam baked cupcakes and gave one to his friend. When Adam visits Ahmed, he always brings cupcakes with him. Now let me ask you, when you go to your friend's house, sometimes you bring stuff with you, right? So Adam, what does he always bring with him? He bakes cupcakes at home and he brings them to his friend when he visits him, right? Now let's read, what are they saying to each other? Here he says, have a cupcake, Ahmed. And then, what does Ahmed say? Thank you, Adam. Now let's read this one more time. Adam is 10. he loves to bake. Ahmed is 9 and he is Adam's friend. Adam baked cupcakes and gave one to his friend. When Adam visits Ahmed, he always brings cupcakes with him. Did you have a chance to read with me? Okay, excellent. Now let's answer 2 questions. What does Adam love to do? Is there something you love to do? Different than anyone else, something you're unique and special with? Okay, nice. So Adam here, he loves to bake. Bake what? Cupcakes. Excellent. And full stop. How old is Ahmed? Do you remember? Do you want us to go back and look for how old he is? Let's go back. Ahmed is 10. He's 10, right? Adam is 10, sorry. Adam is 10, he loves to bake. Oh, but Ahmed, they want Ahmed. Let's go back. Ahmed is 9. Okay, so now we know. How old is Ahmed? Ahmed is 9. Excellent. Let's write this down. Ahmed is 9. Full stop. Okay, so now it's Keenan. We're going to talk about Keenan. Please open page 37. Now, what are we going to do in this exercise? You're going to listen, okay? And then you're going to find 2 words between parentheses. And then you're going to think, is this the right word or is this the right word? If you listen carefully, you will hear the right word and then put a circle around it. Okay, ready? Before that, let's just look at the picture together. We can see that this person here, he's Keenan. He has a pet parrot. What is the parrot thinking about? He's thinking about food. Can the parrot talk? Yes. He said hello, Tim, and the parrot said hello, Keenan. Okay, so now we have an idea before reading the text together. Now let's listen. Are you ready, boys and girls? Let's start. This is Keenan. He is 10. He is a very happy boy. This is his parrot. His name is Tim. Tim is big and fat. He is blue and orange. And he is hungry all the time. Keenan and Tim are good friends. Did you notice, boys and girls, that Tim in my story is colored white? Excellent job. So Tim in your book, what color is he? Blue and orange. Excellent. So were you able to find the right words and circle them with me? Okay, let's read them together. Let's read together. This is Keenan. He is 10. He is a very happy boy. This is his parrot. His name is Tim. Tim is big and fat. He is, in your book, blue and orange, and he is hungry all the time. Keenan and Tim are good friends. Now let's answer these questions together. How old is Keenan? Do you remember his age? Let's go back. I think I forgot. He is 10. Excellent. Let's write down he is 10. Is Keenan happy or sad? He is happy. So let's write this down. He is happy. Full stop. What color is Tim? So I'm going to write white and you will write blue and orange. Agreed? Okay, so Tim is, I will write white. Tim is white. Full stop. Is Tim thirsty? When we were reading, what do we notice Tim thinking about? Food, right? So he is hungry. We can say Tim is hungry. And full stop. Now please open page 97, boys and girls. Exercise 2. But before that, how do you feel about reading and answering questions? Is it hard, or is it something that you can do? Maybe you need a little bit more practice. How do we practice? Find books that you like and read them. Then if someone asks you, what were you reading about, then you can tell them, right? Excellent. So now please open page 97. Circle the word and write the sentence. Begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Ready? So what do we have here? These are watches. How do we make the sentence look correct? We begin with an uppercase letter. Do we keep the words squished together like this? No. We leave space, one finger space between each word. So write the word, then put your finger, and then write the next word next to it. Okay? Now let's write this down. These are watches. Full stop. The next sentence. Let's try to see. The first word is, yes, the boys are happy. Again, we start with uppercase what? T. The. The boys are happy. The boys are, can go to the next line, happy. Full stop. Now, on page 98, exercise 2. Write the questions again and answer. Begin with a capital letter, and this time we will use a question mark. What's your name? What do we notice? Are the words squished together here? No. There's space between words. What do we focus on? Capital letter, question mark. Excellent. Let's write this together. What's your name? What's your name? Question mark. The next question is, can you tell me your name? Tell me your name. What's your name? My name is Sarah, and your name is? Okay. Now the next question is, how old are you? Let's start with a capital H. How old are you? You can say, I am 8 or 9 or 10. Now, boys and girls, please complete pages 97 and 98 for home learning. Okay? So, what did we learn today? What did we learn today? So now we can chant and ask are, using the words are and is. So when we say are at the beginning of the question, what subject pronouns do we use? Are you, are we, are they? If we use the word is, what subject pronouns do we use? Excellent. We use she or he and it. Clear? Also, we can listen. You can listen, read, and answer questions correctly. How was it? Did you feel like you were learning as you were listening and reading? Something was happening here. You were thinking with me, right? Excellent. So we learned to listen, read, and answer questions correctly. How old is Keenan? We can say he is 10. All right. Now, before we end today's lesson, let's read this sentence together. In your book, it says, be happy with what you have. Now, when you look at what you have and you focus on what you have, you don't look at what you don't have. So what do you say all the time? Say Alhamdulillah. Say it from your heart so you can enjoy everything that you have. Right? All right. Thank you so much, boys and girls. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. See you soon.